Hey guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first ever unboxing video on YouTube, so please be easy on me. I'm also in the process of learning video editing, so just a heads up that my video skills may not be great. In this video I will be unboxing the Eufy Cam, which I got through a Kickstarter project back in May, and I had actually forgotten about them until the delivery guy showed up on the weekend. The cameras themselves are completely wireless and they support 1080p video recording. They're also weatherproof, they have night vision and two-way audio. There is a 140-degree viewing angle, 100 decibel intruder siren built into the base. You do get free local storage with the micro SD card. They support live streaming and there are no monthly access fees unlike the Arlo system. I purchased the 2 camera pack, which comes with 2 cameras and a base. You also get all the necessary cables and you get 2 different types of mounts in the box. One for indoor and one for outdoor. You will notice the power adapter that I have has an Australian connection as I purchased the Australian pack. However, your connection may be different. The cable for charging the cameras is also a micro USB cable. You also get some stickers and an instruction quick setup guide. That's all for the unboxing. We'll move over to the setup process. Setup is quite simple. You plug in the power cord to the base and then into the power, and you plug the Ethernet cable from your router or modem to the base station. I also plugged in the USB cable to the base station so I can charge the camera. Once you see the red light come on the camera, you can move over to this Eufy Security app on your phone. And you click on Add Device, you select Home Base, as this is the first thing that you need to add through your app. Follow the steps. I struggled during the initial setup process as the home base took a very long time to update the firmware and the app timed out. So I had to reset the base and go through the setup process once again. Once I managed to set up the home base, adding the cameras was quite easy. If you have any questions or comments, let me know down below in the comments section and I'll try my best to answer them. And in the coming week, I will be doing a comparison between the Eufy Cam and the Arlo system, as I do have both set up. So thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.